If learning to code feels hard, whether you're a beginner or returning after a break, this is your complete roadmap to real progress. In this video, you'll get practical guidance to break through frustration and move forward with confidence. Learning to code requires effort, active practice, patience, and consistency, day after day. So without delay, let's dive in. As an aspiring developer, here are the most important tools and foundations you must build. I won't just tell you to learn HTML and CSS. I'll tell you to build a strong foundation in them first, because they are the backbone of front-end development. Think of HTML as the building blocks of your application's web or mobile. Every structure depends on it. Learn the core structure: header, title, body, main, sections, and footer. Understand how they behave so when something breaks, you can confidently debug and fix it. Next is CSS. Some call it traditional CSS, and that's true because many frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind are built on top of it. Learn selectors, classes, tags, IDs, along with properties, values, colors, typography, grid, flexbox, and animations. When your CSS foundation is solid, learning any framework becomes faster and easier. Never skip fundamentals in the name of vibe coding. Yes, AI can generate code at lightning speed, but your understanding must come first. AI is only powerful when you understand its output. Otherwise, it's like listening to a physics lecture about gravity without knowing basic concepts. It won't make sense. Think of HTML as the building materials and CSS as the design and decoration of a house. From experience, many beginners make these mistakes. Trying to learn everything at once. Watching tutorials instead of building. Memorizing syntax instead of solving problems. These habits slow progress and often lead to burnout. One major problem is not choosing a primary language and committing to it. There are many languages: Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, but pick one that aligns with your interests and goals. Don't try to learn Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React, and Node all at the same time. It's inefficient and delays real progress. Another big trap is tutorial overload. Tutorials are helpful, but they don't make you a developer unless you practice. Watching endlessly without building equals wasted time. Instead, pick a real project. Build a calculator. Create a simple game. Make a to-do app. Design a dashboard or small e-commerce site. Learn only what you need to complete the project. Build it, then share your journey on LinkedIn, Twitter, or GitHub. For example, I spent 3 hours debugging my calculator. Here's what I learned. Explaining your process strengthens your understanding and helps you build visibility with future employers.